morning. How are you?
I'm fine. You?
Doing very well. Please have a seat. All right, we're just going to begin by having you tell me about yourself.
Okay. Well, again, my name is Clarissa Harris, and I recently got my A+ certification, and I'm basically looking for employment now.
Okay. And what experience do you have in the field?
Right now, I don't have any experience, but I'm very proactive with learning new things so that I can be, so that I can be, more helpful in the work environment.
Okay. And what does excellent customer service mean to you?
Well, I have a very strong background in customer service, so excellent customer service is number one to me, and it means everything.
Okay. At this company, we like to work primarily in teams. Do you prefer to work in a team setting or independently?
Well, I prefer to work in a team setting because I like to, have other opinions, and, it also helps me, if I'm slacking, or if I'm not on task, someone can help me, get through my project.
Okay. And can you explain to me what a network is?
A network? Well, I would say a network is basically a group of people, or, let me see. Are you saying like network as far as people or as far as?
More technical.
Technical? Well, basically a network is, different, I don't know, I don't know how to explain it, I'm sorry. I would say different computers, the different computers on one domain or server or host basically log on to the same thing. That's what I would say.
Okay. And what are some of your strengths?
My strengths are I have excellent time management, and I always complete what I start.
Okay, and I don't like to use the term weaknesses. Instead, we say areas of improvement. And what would be some of yours?
I would say I can improve on, let me see. I would say I can improve more on explaining things.
Oh,
yes,
that's
I would say improve on more explanation, explaining things.
Okay. Walk me through how you would handle a customer who calls and says that they have accidentally deleted some files. Tell me step by step what you would say to them.
Well, first I would tell them, to open up their computer, and then I would say on their desktop to look for the recycle bin, for the recycle bin, and then have them click the recycle bin and see if the files are in there. They should be in there.
Okay. Okay. How would you handle an irate employee who calls you and tells you that they cannot access the internet?
Well, first I would ask them if they're on wireless or wired. And if they tell me they're on wireless, I would ask them how many bars do they have at the bottom. And if they're on wired, I would ask them if they're, I'll ask them to go to control panel and then go to network, internet setting, network and internet settings, and then to see if it's connected.
Okay. How would you describe the perfect help desk specialist?
The perfect help desk specialist, how would I describe it? It would be, I would say, very energetic, have great customer service, and very, very informational, and have a lot of patience.
Okay. And that's actually the last question I have for you. I am a human resource director, so I don't know all the intricacies of IT. That being said, do you have any questions for me?
how would you describe the environment in your workplace?
Okay. For the most part, we're very team-oriented, especially with our IT department. There are some times where people work independently, but there are times when they need to work as a group to meet certain requirements.
Okay. And another question: what is the dress code like in the office?
Okay. Do you mean just in any office or for the help
For
desk?
the IT help desk.
Okay. For the most part, they wear khakis or slacks.
Okay.
So every once in a while, it could be jeans on a given day, depending on what their responsibilities would be.
Okay. That's all my questions.
Okay. Very nice meeting you.
Take care.
Have a good day.